In the last 24 hours, Bitcoin has risen by approximately 4%, giving a slight ray of hope to the bulls. But there is a strong resistance at which Bitcoin is getting rejected since the past few hours. What is that level? We will find out in this particular video. Also, there's some great news for crypto investors in India, where an RBI has come out with a directive. So we'll cover that order as well as the Bitcoin chart in today's video.
Subscribe to watch more videos like this.
Hello friends, my name is Soham and I welcome you to Crypto Bulls Club, your one-stop destination for all the technical analysis and news from the world of cryptocurrencies. If you are new, make sure you hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. This will notify you with all the new videos that we release, and we release new videos every day. Also, if you'd like to discuss about Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrencies or have any questions about cryptocurrencies, head over to our Telegram family. The link is given in the description below. Also, if you'd like to ask me something directly, I am available on Telegram. My Telegram account is given in the description below as well as in the pinned comments. Let's jump on to today's video. So first, I would like to cover about the RBI directive that has come out in the last couple of hours. So we had tweeted it already. So if you haven't been following us on Twitter, make sure you do follow us on Twitter, because that is where we post all the real-time updates. So the link to our Twitter is given in the description below as well. So let's jump on to this order from the RBI. So this order, as we can see, is directed towards all commercial, cooperative banks, payments banks, small financial banks, NBFCs and payment system providers, and this order was issued on 31st of May 2021, that is today itself. And as I told you, it covers all the financial institutions that are governed by the RBI. Now what is it that is covered in this order? So in this order or circular, RBI states clearly that RBI has come to know that several financial institutions are rejecting to work with cryptocurrency exchanges or cryptocurrency institutions, citing an order from RBI which was published on April 6, 2018. But the RBI also says in this order that particular order from the RBI was overturned by the Honourable Supreme Court in its judgment on March 4th, 2020. So in this order, RBI says that any financial institution cannot reject working with any cryptocurrency exchanges or cryptocurrency institutions, citing the order from RBI dated April 6, 2018. But it also clearly states that banks and financial institutions have the right to continue doing the KYC, anti-money laundering, combating of financial terrorism through Bitcoin or any other act which is related to money laundering. So the banks can actually continue their due diligence in all the above mentioned arenas. Now that's pretty much it about this report. So do let me know, what do you feel about this new report or this new circular coming from the RBI to the banks and the financial institutions? Comment below and share what you feel, where this will take the crypto space in India. Now let's jump onto the Bitcoin charts. So currently we are on the Bitcoin US dollar 4-hourly chart, and one of the key level of resistance that we are seeing is at about $37,159. Okay, so this has been acting as a strong resistance since almost 28th of May, since the time we broke below it. We treated it as support a couple of times on 27th of May, but since 28th of May, we have been treating this as a resistance, and we tried breaking it almost 5 times. So as we can see, once, twice, thrice, 4 times and 5 times. So as I am recording this video, we are almost 45 minutes from the closure of this 4-hourly candle. By the time you will be watching it, this candle would be closed. Now for our premium members, they actually took a long around the 35,000 mark level, and we sold it at around 37,000. So a big congratulations to all who took this trade. If you want to be a part of a premium channel, do contact me directly on Telegram. My Telegram handle is given in the description below. Now let's jump on to the RSI, there is something very interesting which is getting formed on the RSI that I want to show it to you. So we are on the RSI, and one of the things that is getting formed here, as we can see, is an inverse head and shoulder. Okay, so we are forming this inverse head and shoulder right here, and if we are able to break above this, so what could be our target for the RSI? So our target for the RSI, whenever we break above it, could be very well be at around 63. So if we just go back, 63 was a key level, as we can see here, right? 61 was a key level of resistance. So if we are able to break above it, that would be great. And the last time we were there at around the levels of 60 or 65, it was back before the crash that happened on the 19th of May. So this could actually be a great trend reversal for the Bitcoin price. Now let's jump on to the Bitcoin US dollar 1 hourly chart, and I want to show you something there as well. So on the 1 hourly chart, what we can see is we are basically forming a double bottom pattern right here. Okay, so a double bottom pattern is getting formed right here, and if we are to break above it, what could be our price target? Our price target could very well be, so we'll take the neckline from here itself. So our price target, if we break above it, could very well be at around the $39,500 or so. Also, what is getting formed here is an inverse head and shoulder model. How it is getting formed, let me show you that. So let's take this head and shoulder pattern. So this is my left shoulder right here. This is my head right from here, and this is my right shoulder. Okay, so basically this is my right shoulder. Okay, so as we are making this video, we have actually broken above the neckline. Now what could be our price target? Our price target could be, so we'll just measure the length of the head from the neckline, and our price target for this is also at around the similar range of $39,000. Let's see whether we are able to reach that or not. If we are able to reach that, it would be a great move for Bitcoin, because since the past few days we haven't been able to see those levels and we have been getting rejected. But before reaching there, we have a strong resistance at around the $38,500. So as you can see right here, $38,500 level, this is a strong resistance for us going forward. So we need to cross this first, and then we can think of the levels of $39,000. So these are some great news coming of the Bitcoin chart, but I need to caution you that these are very uncertain times that we have. You need to make your trade very cautiously, and none of this is actually financial advice. All of these are my opinions. If you need to do your own research before investing, and if you are confused about how to do your own research, we made a video on it. You can click the icon above my head and you can watch it. Also, what you can do is you can head over to our Telegram channel and join it for absolutely free of cost, and ask as many doubts as you have. Either me or someone from the community would definitely help you out with your doubts. Now let's jump back to the 4 hours chart, and there is one pattern which I would like to show you right here, that if you are able to hold it, we will actually be doing very good. Okay, so this is the pattern that I was talking to you about. Okay, so until and unless we break below this pattern, so this is an uptrend that we are seeing basically for Bitcoin. If we are able to sustain this for some time, then probably we might see a reversal in the price action. And also, in today's earlier video, we have mentioned that an inverse hammer pattern has actually been formed. So I'll just take you to the weekly chart here. So on the weekly chart, as we can see right here itself, so we formed a inverse hammer pattern, which is known to be a bullish pattern, and since it got printed on a weekly, it is very, very powerful. Okay, so don't be surprised if this week turns out to be a week where the reversal starts, but also keep in mind that this might very well turn out to be a false signal, and we might continue our movement either down or somewhere along the sideways. So that's pretty much it about this video. Do let me know how do you feel about this content. Smash the like button if you like the content. Please subscribe to our channel. This gives us the motivation to make more interesting videos for you. Also share our videos across your friends and family. Give them the opportunity to learn about cryptocurrencies and earn money from crypto as well as increase their wealth. So thank you so much for tuning into today's video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye for now.